My name is Kate Alvar. I'm 26 years old and I'm in the financial services industry. Love na love ko yung support system that I get here, especially with my leaders, yung mga ka-team ko. Kasi I didn't feel that I was just doing it on my own, especially when I started. Pero I'm also trained here to also lead people, mentor people, and grow my skills in terms of facilitation, public speaking, and digital transformation. And lastly, ang pinaka-exciting dito is of course the income, the unlimited travel opportunities that I can have, you can have as well if you join. And at the same time, yung excited ako sa VIP experience, world class, na wala ka nang babayaran, pupunta ka lang doon, is experience at everything. Abundance in life.
Hi, I'm Ruthie Juanzon. I am a certified public accountant before I came in the insurance industry. I became a financial planner because I want to give time for my child. Way back then, 2015, I got married and then nandyan na yung anak namin. So, time na yun, being in the corporate world, I always find myself, wala na akong time to take care my own child. So, I really look for an opportunity wherein I can do my job as a mother and yes, as a provider as well for my own family. And grabe yung opportunity na binibigay nitong industry na to kasi kahit na nasa bahay lang ako, digitalization is very powerful. I can do it anywhere, any time of the day. Meron pang free travel, imagine. Iba pa yung kinikita ko doon sa free travel na nare-receive ko. Talagang enjoying life to the fullest.
Hi, I'm Mikael. Before ako mapunta sa financial services, I'm a licensed electronics engineer. Napakaganda ng experience ko being a financial wealth planner. Dito ko na-experience yung transformation. Nabago yung perspective ko of how I think, how I feel about insurance. Dito ko na-experience yung first million ko. And lastly, what excites me about is having that mission-driven. While I help a lot of people, nag-earn din ako. Ang na-acquire ko, being a financial wealth planner number 1, dito ko lang na-experience sa pagkakaroon ng house and lot. Dito ko rin na-experience yung free travel sa abroad. Nakarating ako first time sa Thailand, sa Indonesia, and also, meron din akong opportunity, na-excited ako na pumunta sa MDRT convention sa Canada. I'd like to invite everyone to join us if you want to experience high income, if you want to experience transformation. At the same time, makakatulong sa mga tao, join us becoming a financial wealth planner.
If you're also willing to level up yourself in terms of all aspects, personal, professional, lahat-lahat na yan, is join our organization. Wala pong pilitan to, pero of course, kung gusto mo the best for yourself, join us.
I am inviting everyone to join our district A-Quest family. Our massive transformative purpose is transforming lives
Towards abundance
Consciousness.